The confirmation order was challenged for several reasons, including the fact of the subsistence of an appeal pending at the Court of Appeal seeking to declare null and void the rights issue conducted by Starwin Product Limited in 2013. It will be recalled that it was by the said rights issue that Dannex Limited became majority shareholder of Starwin Product Limited, paving the way for the merger. The action at the High Court and subsequently the Supreme Court was mounted by a number of shareholders including Mayfield Properties Limited, Dr. Albert G. Bohene, Enviro Solutions Limited, James Akpalu and Samuel Kwesi Eje. However, by a unanimous decision of the Supreme Court, the application for certiorari was dismissed outright. In previous proceedings, the Court of Appeal on 13th March 2020 and by a unanimous decision dismissed appeals filed by Dr. Albert J. Bohene and Mayfield Properties Limited challenging the rights issue conducted by Starwin Product Limited in 2013. The two judgments therefore preserve both the rights issue of Starwin Product Limited as well as the subsequent merger between Dannex Limited, Ayrton Drugs Manufacturing Limited and Starwin Products Limited. In an earlier interview with Citi News, the chairman of Das Pharma, Nick Amatefu, explained some key milestones in the merger process.
Starwin, which was owned by a Ghanaian entrepreneur, they were on the stock exchange and they wanted to do a right issue, which meant that since we were already shareholders in that company, we could also partake in the rights issue. So we did go in there, and nobody else wanted to sort of buy the shares. The shareholders didn't want to buy the shares. We came and bought. The problem that we got out of that move is that the board of directors and shareholders of Starwin said, no way, even though they have a broker advising them on the right issue and what it meant, that they could lose their company, that they could have a majority shareholder other than them that could dictate how the company moves forward. They said no. The IC Securities, with their broker, had misadvised them. So basically, they don't accept the fact that another company, Dannex, was going to come in there and become majority shareholder.
The managing director of the Ghana Stock Exchange, Ekowafezi, at the time of the listing of Das Pharma, also touted the anticipated impact of the entity on the local bears.
The size of the company will increase as a result of the merger. They might have a bigger market share in the industry, then also maybe potentially they will make more profit. So that company is coming by valuation about 33 million Ghana cedis as the market cap. So between 517 and now plus the third one becomes 33 million. That is what mergers bring about. They bring about synergies that can increase the size of the market, improve performance, and also maybe boost your market share and also profitability on the market.